Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is Tuesday. It is the 19th of May. Welcome to it. This is my Avid video for today. Happy Avid Day. I'm wearing my Avid shirt. My good things for today are only 7 days of school left, I think. And Avid in general, and wrapping up the school year, and my daughters when they're not jumping on the furniture. Georgia just had a big spill off the back of the couch and is crying currently with Mrs. Bruner. So if you hear tears and wailing, that's what's going on. All right, I have some good things to share from you guys from yesterday's attendance sheet. I don't know what this first one means, but it's Galaxy Opal Mel Daniels. No idea what that is. Free hoverboards, brothers' birthdays, Shonen Jump, rain, movies, cows, Knott's Berry Farm food. I wonder if that person went to Knott's, but either way, you can get their food lots of places, and they have delicious food at Knott's, especially the barbecue and the chicken and the pie. Wolf Hollow by Lauren Wolk. There's a book recommendation for you. Phineas and Ferb, summer break, last Monday of the school year. Yesterday was the last Monday of the school year. That's exciting. Catalina, Sheldon Cooper Fun with Flags, and our list of food includes steak, boba, Nutella, seedless watermelon, pizza chips, Gushers, omelet sandwiches, coffee, and peanut butter. Okay, so a little kind of a short video for today for you Avid folks. This is our assignment guide. I'll be sending this to you on Google Classroom this morning. I'll also put it up on my haiku page. But today is Virtual Career Day. So is tomorrow. Mrs. Dechek over at Columbus Tustin, over at CT, created an awesome Virtual Career Day. And it's all in this presentation. That's what those links on the assignment guide are, right? These two links are this presentation. So we've got Mr. Omar Gonzalez, who's a software engineer. We've got Brian George, who's an actor. He looks familiar to me. I think he might have been in Seinfeld. But anyway, Liberato Martinez, who's an insurance adjuster. Kristen Perry, who's an art director, and a whole bunch more, right? A whole bunch of different careers. So, in addition to this presentation, I'm going to be sending you this doc, which is your assignment. The directions say, click here to see our Career Day presentations. Choose 5 of the Career Day presentations to view, then complete the reflection at the end. So you've got, I wonder if these links are active. I'm not sure. Let's look. No, I don't think that those links are active, but you've also got the link to the presentation. So if you want to watch the software engineer, the actor, etc., whoever you want to watch, choose 5 of them, and then write your reflection right here. Find the notes section that corresponds to the speaker. Take notes as you watch the presentations. Using split screen may be really helpful. I don't think that there are any directions about. Oh, here are some sentence frames to help you with your reflections. You might start like this. The career that interested me most was blank. What I found most interesting about this career is blank. In addition, blah, 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 blah. And you will want to add more to that. So I would think a good reflection would be like a kind of average sized paragraph, 4 or 5 sentences. Just telling you what you learned, how you feel about that career, whether it's something you might want to do, whether it was different from what you expected, or whatever. So that is your assignment for today. This is due on Thursday. I'll put that in as a due date on Google Classroom. And that's all I've got for today. Please stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.